Pull him out.
Get out, kid.
See if we catch anything out here. Nice evening.
Can I change it to a buffer?
Yeah, but I have to change everything.
Hey, what's up? Raw for Real from Roguish Fishing here. What's up, Roguish family? Check out this video of my brother linking up on his personal best 8-pounder. Woo, it's a monster. Check it out, guys. Fun time, fun videos. He went out fishing with him and his son out here. And check it out.
Look, that's a big fish. Oh.
Need to get him out. That's a big one. Oh shit. I gotta get him. Okay. Thing's huge, bro. Wait right there. I don't want it to rip.
What kind of fish is that?
Oh crap! Damn! Boy, look, check them out. Woo! My best one. Oh man,
Let me see inside.
this thing is a beast. Check him out.
That might be the king, huh?
Look at that. Nice girth on this one.
A nice one?
Oh man. Gotta get this one back in the water. Nice fish though. Look at that. Check them out.
I know. Look how big the eyes are, dude.
Came back from. Check them out. I'm gonna get them back in the water soon.
No, look inside of him.
Dude, this thing's like.
How much pounds
Holy
is
shit.
that? How much pounds is that, dude? Take a picture of it.
I am. Wait, I gotta get this hook out first before it dies. I can't get the hook, bro. Give me my backpack. I got it.
Die.
Here.
Huh?
Here, wait. Oh, take a picture with me, okay?
That was so cool. Look how
Here,
big the
hold
bones
it.
are.
I know, hold it, hold it.
Those are
I want you to take a picture with me holding it, okay?
This, a big fish. but
Yeah,
that's
monster
not-
fish right here.
Did I put it like this?
I think it'll be my personal best. I'll weigh it. This thing's about
1,000 pounds.
close to
Put it like this?
7-8 pounds, man. I'm
Put it like
so
this.
excited.
Let me take a picture so I can see how long it is.
All right,
Put like
there
this.
it is. All right, time to get him back in the water. There you go. Look at him again, man. Personal best. Gotta let him go. Lovely. There you go. Let him go.
Watch him make a big splash. I think he died.
There you go. All day to catch that one. Let's get a big one, buddy.
Huh?
So I hope I get a big one.
Can you trick Mama and can you trick Mama and say I got the biggest one?
Yeah?
That looks really cool. She would be like, wow, I thought you're good at fishing. Yes, buddy, whoa!
Fish on, baby.
That's what you always have to say on your show? Fish on, baby?
Fish on.
That's what you always have to say?
Yep. Let's pull him out.
Get out, kid.
Oh yeah, check him out. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Oh, we got a nice one right there.
Nice.
Check him out.
Let me see.
Out here fishing with my son Enzo. See him? Check him out. Nice, huh?
Let me see the mouth. Dang, you can see from the inside too. Look at the gill.
Yep. Just got this bass right here. Nice fish. It's a nice one right there too. Not as big as the one I caught earlier, but something. Catch and release, baby. Time to let him go.